Welcome to our office. This is our leisure zone. And on the left is our meeting room. This is our sales department. And this is our sample room. You will find all kinds of products in it. Let's turn around. This is display of our installation. And on the right is our wheel nuts, bolts, and locks. And on the left is our package collection. And this part is our wheel spacers. And this is the installation display. You will find our lug nuts installed on the wheel hubs. You see, this is lug nuts. And these are our lug nuts, bolts, and locks. Let's show you the details. The first is our lug nuts. You will find many types, including corn seat, bow seat, open end, closed end, ET style, flat seat with washer, and also sublime style. And the second part is our wheel bolts and wheel stars. We have different sizes and different surface treatment. And the third part is our wheel locks. We have many patterns for locks, including the outer pattern and the tuner pattern, with or without removing sleeve. And this is our wrench tools. You will find we have many types wrench tool sets. And these are our original wheel lock key. We have Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, and Volkswagens. We also have other car types. Let me show you the details. You can see the surface and the inner side. It's quite smooth. And this part is our mounting color lug nuts and bolts. We have steel lug nuts, aluminum lug nuts, and titanium lug nuts and bolts. You see, we have mounting colors. You can choose the color you want to decorate your cars. And also we have the multicolor cap for the nuts and bolts. These are aluminum lug nuts. And these are titanium lug nuts and bolts. And on this side, these are our package of wheel locks. We have many types, like plastic box and a blister package. You can also choose the package pattern, like 4 locks with 1 key or 4 locks with 2 keys. We accept customization. You can choose your own design on the box or the color paper. And this part is our package collection of magian series and aluminum lug nuts and bolts. Most of them are 20 with 1 key or 2 key. And also we have color box and a blister package. These are often sales on the Amazon or eBay market. And these are our display stand. You will find hot sales, new products, and fashionable magnets. This is our hot sales. See, the color is new titanium with the spec. It's our hot selling in 2022. And this is our new products. You will find it's the aluminum cap with the steel bottom. This is for Toyota. And this is our Magian series, which is very fashionable. We have many customers choose this to decorate their cars. And the final part is our wheel spacers. We have various sizes and colors. You can choose the sizes and colors you need. The surface is soft anodized, which is not easy to fade off. We accept customization for wheel spacer or its package. And these are our certifications. You will find we have ISO 9001, TES 16949, and also SGS and TUV. These certifications are a reliable guarantee of your purchasing.